Ever wonder how to get sparkling streak-free windows? Let's walk through the process and why it's worth it. First up, tools. You'll need a high-quality squeegee, a strip washer, a bucket, and a clean solution made for glass. Mix your solution. Then apply with a strip washer. Be generous, it helps loosen the grind. Now for the magic. Use your squeegee in one continuous motion, wiping from top to bottom. Wipe the blade after each pass. Use a microfiber cloth to touch up edges and corners. That's the streak-free secret. Check out the difference, a crystal clear view inside and out. Benefits of clean windows. Enhances curb appeal. Invites abundant natural light. Elevates home value. Eliminate dirt and allergens. Professional or for businesses. Want windows this clean without the hassle? Call the pros at Bold Changes Property Maintenance. We go beyond window cleaning.